In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can do static routing on Cisco router. Okay, so first of all, this is the scenario. I have one router and I named it London, and there's another one in New York. So both of them have one switch and 4 computers. So the scenario is these computers should reach to these computers. There are two types of routing: static routing and dynamic routing. In dynamic routing, there are so many routing protocols, but today we are going to discuss about static routing. So how we can statically define which route to choose from one destination to another one. Okay, let's start with this router first. So let me show you the interface first. So the interface is 0/0 on London router and 0/0 on New York router. So we'll be configuring fast Ethernet 0/0 on the both sides. So I'm already in the configure T mode, so I'm gonna type interface fast Ethernet 0/0, and I already did the no shut, so otherwise you have to type no shut command to unshut the router port, right? Okay, so I'm gonna assign an IP address. So IP address, and I'm going to assign an IP address which can be a public address. So I'm going to assign this one 123.20.20.1. okay, and the subnet mask, all right, and I'm gonna add another IP on the other side. So I'm going to add the IP 123.20.20.2 on this one. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP address 123. What was IP address? I forgot. 123.20.20.1. okay, 123.20.20.2. okay, oops. Never forget about the subnet mask. Okay, so now the IP is configured. Let me try pinging. I don't think I can ping from here. I have to go back to the enable mode. Okay, so 123.20.20.1. so success rate is 80%. Let's try again. So success rate is 100%. I can ping the other side, so that means I can ping from the other side as well. Okay, now I'm gonna try pinging the other PC again. I'm doing that all just to show you, and you guys can understand completely what I'm trying to show. So you can still see I cannot ping anything because the static routing or the default routing is not yet configured. These computers know about these two interfaces but not the other side, right? So I'm gonna assign commands, so you can consider routers as the robot. So I'm gonna tell them, like, if there is a traffic from this side, you should always push that traffic to that side, right? So we have commands here. So we are going to type the command IP route, and it's very simple, easy to understand. So I am telling my robot to send the traffic to the other side. So I can ping from this side to this side, and the IP address is 123.20.20.2 on the other side. If I ping from router, I can ping, but I try pinging from computer, I cannot, because my router doesn't know where to send these traffic from. Okay, so I'm setting up a static route. A static route for what? So this router or these computer already know about 192.168.1.1. I can ping from any of the computer to any of the other computer, but I cannot ping what network? 192.168.2.1. So I'm going to tell this router, if there's traffic for 192.168.2.0 network, with the subnet mask of this, send that traffic to what? The next hop. What is the next hop? 123.20.20.2. okay, and the same thing I'm going to do on the other side, and that is going to be IP route and the network address, the other side network address, right? So it's going to be 192.168.1.1. okay, sorry, 1.0, and the subnet mask. And where is the way to send that traffic to the router fast Ethernet 0/0, and there the IP address is 123.20.20.1. okay, so now let's try pinging from other computers. So okay, so let me go to one of the PC in the London network. Okay, not terminal, I'm going to the command prompts. Okay, so first start with this network, right? 192.168.1.1. I can ping this, okay, and I'm gonna try pinging the other computer. So I can ping 1.2, I can ping 1.3 as well. Okay, so I'm gonna try pinging the other computer. Let me check the IP address for this one. IP configuration, so this one is 2.3. okay, so let me ping this one, 192.168.2.3. there you go. Now you can ping. First it took some time because it was the first time to understand router that traffic is coming from this network and where I have to send that traffic. So now you can ping all of their network. So now these both sides look like they are on all in one LAN. That's the quality of routing, like either it's static routing or dynamic routing. I would say if you understand routing, that's the best part. Alright, I think that was too much for today. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I post my videos every day related to routing, switching, and all of the computer related stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.